Welcome to Colton RV's Widget Wednesday. Today we're going to be talking, my name's Sean from Colton RV, but today we're going to be talking about CURT Echo Smart wireless brake controller. Really simple to use. The biggest thing is on the back of your vehicle, you got to have a 7-way plug. Even if you don't have brake wiring, nothing run to it, you got to have your lights wired to it, and you need a 12-volt power feed from your battery to it. And the nice thing about this, it's a little handheld wireless controller. All you're going to do is take it and you're going to stick it in your 7-way and just pop it in. On the bottom, there's a little blue light. It'll blink until you're ready to go, until it's paired. So once you put this in here, you have to go, when you first initially set it up, you have to go to your Play Store, either with your Android phone or your iPhone. And you're going to download the Echo Smart Control app. And once it's downloaded, it'll come in and then you can set it up with your Bluetooth. And then it's just going to tell you to avoid distracted driving, only use with a dashboard cell phone mount. And then once we're in, it's going to give you a little code. They give you a little card with the code on it. And you're going to punch the code in, and that's going to activate the program on your phone. If you lose this card, the nice thing is, if you open up the cap, the PIN number is located right on the cap. Each one has a different number. You can set this up to multiple vehicles. So when you're in the app, you got profile 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can set up to 5 different vehicles on this. Once you're hooked up, you're going to put, when that's in, you're going to take your 7-way power cord, and you're going to plug it in. Once you're in and good, there's a green blinking light. It's going to blink. And once the light underneath here goes solid, you're all set, you're connected, and you're paired. Some vehicles, this will be flipped up the other way to make the light easier to see. Some vehicles are different. With the Chevy, all you're going to do is plug it in. If you have a newer Ford F-150, 2018, 19 and a couple years older, you have to have the tow haul mode on your truck on for it to sense the brake controller. If you do not have your tow haul mode on, it will not work. So once you're in, you're hooked up, your phone is paired. Only takes a couple minutes to pair everything and get it set up. You can go right up here in the app where it says by profiles, and we're going to go to active profile. That's the one we're hooked up to now. And then this is what the screen's going to look like. You can adjust the output, the sensitivity of the brake, and you can manually brake, or when you touch the brake pedal, the brakes will activate. If you want to manually activate the trailer brakes, you just push the button here. And then the blue line will go around and it'll activate your trailer brakes. So if you want, we can hop in the truck and we'll go for a little ride and we can show how the controller works. So once you're in, ready to go, the best way to use it is you want to mount where you can mount your phone or easily to see. And then all you're going to do when you're driving, like right now my foot's on the brake, you can see that it's activated. So once we're going here, and I hit my brakes, it just shows. And then if I adjust it for harder braking, and if I'm going and your trailer starts to sway, and you don't want to brake the truck, but you just want to brake the trailer, you can just tap it, and the trailer brakes are going to start braking and slowing you down. Almost right to a stop. Then you can let go, and you're still good. It's just going to keep the trailer from getting out of control if you're doing it by hand. Now for this system to work, like I said earlier, you need to have a 12-volt power supply back to your 7-way plug. So all you need is your left turn, right turn, brake and running, run to the plug, and a 12-volt power feed from the battery. What this is really nice is a lot of your foreign cars are a little more involved to hook up your brake controller systems. So if you're towing with a BMW, an Audi, and different things like that, this is a really nice system to use. or if you have a lease vehicle, a lease pickup truck, or a car that you want to tow, just makes it easier to install. You're not putting holes in your dashboard or anything like that. On the F-150, this is what I'm talking about here. You have a tow haul mode. On my Chevy, it's on the shifter. Some of the Fords are on the dashboard where you gotta turn it on and off. It's a really nice, easy system to use. The brake controller system runs $291 for this system. The app is free. It doesn't cost you anything for the app. Now, if you had to hardwire a full brake controller, front to back, run all the wiring, the 7-way, the cost of the brake controller, you're looking at $650 to get that installed. If your vehicle's pre-wired, you're looking at about $280 to get it installed, brake controller and the harness and the labor. But with this system, if you already have a 7-way, you don't want to wire anything in, it's $291 for the system, and then all you're going to do is download the app. Really simple. Anybody can do it. Thanks again for joining us today for the Facebook Live Widget Wednesday. Hope everyone stays safe and stays healthy. Thank you.